The for loop that is used through, yeah, here we are looking at uh, the normal for loop that we'll be using here. Now the syntax for which is for loop, variable name in object, and it has one property from object is assigned to a variable name, and this loop contains till all the properties of the object are exhausted. Looking at the example we have, we'll be printing a value of what is there in the web browser, which is navigator is a web browser that we'll be using. So whatever properties are there inside that navigator will be the output in the of this example. So you have your script type, which is JavaScript, and you have your document.write, wherein you are printing the navigator object properties here, and you're using a for loop in which you are taking all the properties that are there in the navigator browser, and then you're just displaying it as the output using the statement called document.write of a property. And then you're breaking and then exiting from the loop, and then you're just displaying it as an output. Now for a better example, I'm taking this JavaScript loops, wherein you have the loop